What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Video. Today I'll unbox the RGT's new crawler, Pioneer 2020 version. Now let's unbox it. So what color is mine? Oh, the ice blue. I love this color. The menu. Guess what it is? I will tell you after a while. Wow. So why I choose the ice blue version? Because in summer the ice blue will make me feel a little bit cool. Here is the transmitter. And this is the charger. Wow, the transit is the same as my Ecom's crawler, 6 channel. Now here is the 2020 version's Pioneer. Here you can see the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the roof's spotlight. But there is no LEDs in here. I think I can put some LED lights in the future. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, the tails is soft. It is soft, and the wheel is plastic, but it looks beautiful. You can see the front light. Oh, there is a small battery in here. It's 7.2 volts, 2000 milliamp hours. It's a little bit heavier. Here you can see the chassis, the Hobbywing 1060 ESC 550 17-turn brushed motor, and this is a servo, but it only supports up to 6 volts. It's not a high voltage servo. Motor, gearbox, transfer case, and the universal shaft, all plastic, but the rods are all metal. By the way, the shock tower, you can see there is, if you want to adjust the springs, you only to put these things here, not like our cone shocks. Oh, there's a rear light here. Front and rear lights. I think I can control it. Use the third channel. Plastic, the diff case, the diff cover looks like a metal. Now I will show you this package. I think you guys must love it. A spring, a shock here, the portal axles, the metal portal axles, so beautiful. Here is CNC machined. Wow, so beautiful, so smooth, all metal. It's a little bit heavier. The front portal axle is 340.8 grams. Now the rear is 286.8 grams. This is the steering rod. It has a spring here to protect our servo. If the car is roll from the hill, thanks for watching. Please make a comment down below, and next time I will compare the metal axles with the original nylon axles, street axles, solid axles, and I will compare the crawling angle, the crawling slope